Good morning, everybody. As you can see, I'm on the Education City website again, and I'm just going to quickly run through the activities for today. So if we just click on the first one, and wait a moment for it to load up. So again, it's about fractions and finding different fractions of an amount. The word quantity there just means like how much of something or an amount of something. So I'm going to go start. So a fraction describes a part of a whole. So if we had 35 apples and shared 3/5 of them, it's going to tell us, that fraction is going to tell us how many of them we gave away. So we can just sit through this one for a minute. So this is like, we've done this lots of times. So firstly, you need to find 1/5. So if the numerator, that's the top one, is not 1, you have to find 1/5 before you can find out that one. So dividing by 5 is 7. Now what are we going to do with the 7? Now think about it, because we've done it before. We're going to multiply it by 3 because 3 is the top number. So 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Yeah. So 35 is 21. So we have a little bit of freedom now. So I'm just going to put a number, let's say, is it going to work? Okay, one of Stan's pigeons has flown 70 races and won 2/10 of them. How many races has the pigeon won? Okay, so what are we going to do? We've got 70. We don't have a 1 there. We need a 1 there, but firstly we're going to divide by 10. So 70 divided by 10, what does that give us? Actually, it was the right number the first time, that's 7. But we're not finished yet, because that was 1/10 and we need 2/10. So we need to take our 7 and multiply it by 2, which is, okay, 14. Okay, there you go. I'm not going to go through all of them, but just remember, each time take the total quantity, the total number, divide it by the denominator, that's the bottom number, and then after that you can multiply by the top one. Okay.